ஓகே, குட் ஈவினிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டியது என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, பாப்புலேஷன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோஷன் அண்ட் பர்த் கண்ட்ரோல் மெத்தட். வாட் ஆர் த பர்த் கண்ட்ரோல் மெத்தட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் and what is population explosion? So you have to see increased health facilities and better living condition have enhanced longevity. According to the recent report from the UN, India's population has already reached 1.26 billion and is expected to become the largest country in population size, surpassing China around 2022. To overcome the problem of population explosion, birth control is the only available solution. People should be motivated to have smaller families by using various contraceptional devices. Okay, here some of the advertisement by the government in the media as well as posters, bills, etc. within the slogan Nam Irvar Namak Irvar, we two ours one, and Nam Irvar Namak Orvar, we two ours one have also motivated to control the population growth in Tamil Nadu. Statutory raising of marriageable age of the female to 18 years and that of the males to 21 years, and incentives given to the couples with the small families are the other measures taken to control population growth in our country. Okay, the next we pass on to these are the general ideas about the population explosion. The next one is the birth control method. What are the birth control methods? The voluntary use of contraceptional procedures to prevent the fertilization or prevent implantation of the fertilized eggs in the uterus is termed as birth control. What is birth control? The voluntary use of contraceptive procedures to prevent fertilization or to prevent implantation of the fertilized egg in the uterus is termed as birth control. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available with the least side effects, and should not interfere with the sexual drive. The contraceptive methods are of two types: temporary and permanent. Natural, chemical, mechanical and hormonal barrier methods are the temporary birth control methods. The natural method, first one is the natural method, is mostly used to prevent the meeting of sperm with ovum, rhythm method and shape period, coitus interruptions, continuous abstinence and lactational anuria. First one is periodic abstinence rhythm method. Here the ovulation occurs at about the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Ovum serves for about 2 days and sperm remains alive for about 72 hours in the female reproductive tract. Coitus is to be avoided during this time. Okay, then continuous abstinence is the simplest and most reliable way to avoid pregnancy. Is not to have the coitus for a defined period that facilitates conception. So coitus interruptions is the oldest family planning method. The male partner withdraws his penis before ejaculation, thereby preventing deposition of semen into the vagina. Here lactational amenorrhea, menstrual cycle resumes as early as 6 to 8 weeks from menstruation. However, the reappearance of normal ovarian cycles may be delayed for 6 months during breastfeeding. This delay in ovarian cycle is called lactational anuria. It serves as natural but an unreliable form of birth control. Sucking by the baby during breastfeeding stimulate the pituitaries to secrete the increased prolactin hormone in order to increase the milk production. Then the high prolactin concentration is the mother's blood prevent the menstrual cycle by suppressing the recycling of GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, from hypothalamus and gonadotropin secretion from the pituitary. Then barrier method. In this method, the ovum and sperms are prevented from meeting so that fertilization does not occur. Here in this barrier method, what are the subdivisions are there? Chemical barrier and also mechanical barrier, and also diaphragm, cervical caps and walnuts. Then hormonal barrier also there, and oral contraceptive, intrauterine devices, IUD, copper releasing IUD. These are comes under this. There is a normal barrier methods are there. First one is in a barrier method, the chemical method. You can see some of the chemicals are mostly used for this barrier as a barrier. In this category, forming tablets, melting Suppositories, jellies, and creams are used as chemical agents that inactivate the sperms in the vagina. Then mechanical barrier, condoms are mostly used in this sheath used to cover the penis in male, whereas in female it is used to cover the vagina and cervix just before coitus, so as to prevent the entry of ejaculated semen into the female reproductive tract. This can prevent conception. Condom should be discarded after the single use. Condom also safeguards the user from AIDS and STDs. Condoms are made up of polyurethane, latex, and lamb buckskin. Then the next one is diaphragm, cervical caps, and walnuts are made up of rubber and are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix before coitus in order to prevent the sperms from entering the uterus. Hormonal barrier, it prevents the ovaries from releasing the ovum thickness and cervical fluid which keeps the sperm away from ovum. Then oral contraceptives. Piles are used to prevent ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of FSH and LH hormone. A combined pill is the most common used birth control pill. It contains synthetic progesterone and estrogen hormones. Shagley contraceptive pill by Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow, India contains a non-steroidal preparation called Centroman. Then intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices, IUDs. Intrauterine devices are inserted by medical experts in the uterus through the vagina. These devices are mostly available in copper-releasing IUDs, hormone-releasing UADs, and non-medicated IUDs increase the phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus. IUDs are the ideal contraceptives for females who want to delay pregnancy. It is one of the popular method of contraception in India and has a success rate of 95 to 99%. Then copper releasing IUDs differ from each other by the amount of copper. Copper IUDs such as CU, copper T 380A and Nova T, copper 7, copper T 380AG, multiload 375, etc. release from copper and copper salts into the uterus and suppresses sperm motility. They can remain in the uterus for 5 to 10 years. Okay, the next one is hormone releasing IUDs such as progesterone and LNG20 are often called as intrauterine system IUDs, IUS. They increase the viscosity of the cervical mucus and thereby prevent the sperms from entering the cervix. The non-mediated IUDs are made up of plastics or stainless steels. Lips loop is a double S-shaped plastic device also used. The next one is permanent birth control methods are adopted by the individuals those do not want to have any more children. Surgical sterilization method, first of all, are the permanent contraception methods advised for male and female partners to prevent any more pregnancy. It blocks the transport of the gametes and prevents conception. Tubectomy is the surgical sterilization in women. In this procedure, a small portion of both fallopian tubes are cut and tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. This prevents fertilization as well as the entry of the egg into the uterus. Vasectomy is the surgical procedure for male sterilization. In this procedure, both vas deferens are cut and tied through a small incision on the scrotum to prevent the entry of sperm into the urethra. Vasectomy prevents sperm from heading off to penis as the discharge has two sperm in it. Okay. Up to this one, there is a permanent birth control and temporary birth controls are there. Okay. Thank you, students. Okay. Next class we will see next video. Thank you.